Hey gearheads! If your classic Mustang feels like it's leaning through every corner, this is the upgrade you've been missing. Today we're checking out a sway bar kit from CPP, and it's a game changer for handling. This front sway bar kit is designed for 1964 to 66 Mustangs, Falcons, Rancheros, and Comets. Here's what you get: 1 and 1/8-inch solid sway bar, forged spring steel construction, durable black powder coat finish. This larger diameter bar increases roll stiffness, helping reduce body lean and improving cornering stability. From the factory, these cars weren't exactly built for modern handling. Add wider tires, more power, or just drive it like you actually enjoy it, and body roll becomes a problem. With this CPP kit installed, you get flatter cornering, better steering response, more confidence behind the wheel, and the best part? It still keeps a street-friendly ride. CPP didn't just make a thicker bar, they built a complete system that includes PolyPlus bushings, which provides long life and no squeaks, heavy-duty end links, which provides improved durability. The frame mounting brackets are greasable and feature integrated Zerk fittings, allowing proper lubrication of the bushings to prevent squeaks and premature wear. All required grade 8 plated mounting hardware, and brackets are included for a complete bolt-on installation. The upgraded mounting brackets also give you a clean, high-end look under the car. This kit is designed as a bolt-on upgrade and works with factory-style control arms. You may need end link brackets depending on your setup, but overall, this is a straightforward install you can knock out in the garage. If you're upgrading brakes, suspension, or just want your classic to drive like it should, this is one of the best bang for the buck mods you can do. Check out this sway bar kit at classicperform.com. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. That's it for this video, and remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.